morning, boys and girls. I'm glad to see you. Now please take your seat and get ready for the English lesson. Let's count our fingers. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little fingers. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little fingers. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little fingers. 10 little fingers on my hands. 10 fingers on my hands. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Today we are going to learn a new letter blend. Let's look at this sound. The sound has two letters, W and H. We all know the W says w, 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 and H says h, 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 h. But when we put them together, the H becomes silent. It means that it makes no sound at all. So, if the H is silent, the WH say exactly what the W. W, 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 w. WH sound w, w, w. Many words start with the W and the H w sound. For example, will, 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 whale, whale, white, white. Can you think of a word that starts with the WH w sound? Ready? Go!
Hello, Martin. Lovely day, isn't it?
Why are you so loud?
Everyone.
Please
Warm,
whisper.
clear.
Whisper.
What's the weather forecast for tomorrow?
Whisper. The word whisper starts with the WH w sound. Look at your task. We have to cut out the letters and collect the words with the WH w sound. What's on the first picture? It's a whale. Let's find and glue the letters. W, letters W and H. W. Next, A, letter A. Whale, whale. L, letter L and E. Whale, whale. The next picture. What are they doing? What are they doing? They are whispering. The word whisper. Whisper, whisper. Find and glue the letters. W, W, W and H. We, E, letter I, with, S, letter S, P, letter P, whisper, letter E and R. Let's repeat two words with the WH. Whisper and whale. Well done. Let's search the words. Here we have two columns. WH words, other words. We have to glue pictures in their columns. For example, the first picture. What is it? It's a whistle. 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 The word whistle starts with a WH. Where is the column with WH? Here, let's glue this picture. The next is watch. Is a watch. Watch. Watch starts with W. Let's put in the second column where we have other words. The next picture is white. White starts with WH. Where is the column with the WH? Here, let's glue. White. The next picture, what is it? It's a worm. Worm starts with W. Let's put this picture in the second column where the other words. What is it? It's a witch. Witch. The word witch starts with W. Let's put this picture in the second column where are the other words. Let's glue. And the last picture, it's a whale. Whale starts with WH. Where is the column with the WH? Here, let's glue the picture. Guys, now we are going to play a memory game. I have 6 pictures words with WH. Whisk, wheel, whale, whisper, white, whistle. I would like to ask you to close your eyes, and before closing your eyes, you have to memorize what we have here. Then I will choose one picture and take it away. What picture is missing? Are you ready? Whisk, wheel, whale, whisper, white, whistle. Are you ready? Close your eyes. Open your eyes. What picture is missing? Did you guess? Yes, it's whale, whale. Let's try one more time. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. What picture is missing? It's a wheel. Yes. Continue. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. What picture is missing? Did you guess? Whisper, 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 whisper. Okay, good job, guys. Let's play one more time. Are you ready? Close your eyes. Open your eyes. What picture is missing? Did you guess? It's a whisk. Whisk. Okay? Close your eyes. Open your eyes. What picture is missing? It's white. Okay. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. What picture is missing? Whistle, whistle. Okay, well done. Let's go to the last task for today. Here we have to color the pictures that begin with the WH sound. What is it? It's a whale. The word whale begins with WH. Let's color. I'll circle, you color the picture, okay? The next is a cow. The word cow doesn't begin with WH, so you don't need to color the picture. What are they doing? They are whispering. The word whisper begins with WH. Let's color. Whisper. The next, what is it? It's a wheel. Wheel. The word wheel begins with WH. Let's color. What is it? It's a key. The word key doesn't begin with WH, so you don't need to color the picture. It's a hammer. Don't need to color the picture. What is it? It's a worm. Worm. The word worm begins with W, so you don't need to color the picture. The next picture is whisk. Whisk. The word whisk begins with WH. Let's color. What is it? It's an octopus. Octopus doesn't begin with WH, so you don't need to color the picture. It's a rocket. Don't need to color the picture. Whistle. 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 Whistle begins with WH and let's color. The last picture is a wheelbarrow. The word wheelbarrow begins with WH, so let's color. Okay? It's all for today. The lesson is over. Thank you very much. I wish you good luck. Goodbye. See you.